What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back up here at the new job. We're getting ready to throw all of the ceiling beams in. They are all 2x10. This morning on my way up here, I stopped at Home Depot. I picked up a bunch of engineering screws, hangers, nails, sawzall blades, stuff like that. But we also, me and my father both, ran into probably over an hour of traffic. I'm not exactly sure how long it was, but it was a while. We ended up just getting up here not too long ago, but a tractor trailer that hauls garbage from like transfer stations to landfills, I guess, flipped over on the side of the highway, and they had an excavator grabbing it, loading it into another truck and stuff. So it was a mess, but delayed our morning quite a bit. I'm gonna set this camera up as we set all of these ceiling beams, and we'll see how far we can get. All right, guys, we just finished up lunch. We got most of the ceiling beams in. We're finishing the area over the kitchen dining room right now, which is this area. We got a couple guys on the front starting to get the tongue and groove in, get the plywood down, and hopefully we can get all of the ceiling beams in and this whole place plywooded by the end of the day.
Let's go.
All right, guys, we're getting buttoned up for the day. We made it a little bit more than halfway across the second floor with plywood. We got all of the ceiling beams and ceiling beams, floor beams, whatever you want to call them. They're in between the first and second floor, so they count as both. But good progress. Freddie and my dad are going around and just marking some of the walls up here on the second floor. The rest of the guys are downstairs getting things cleaned up, but we also got a bunch of hangers on. I'll show you real quick. Oh, actually, this is a bad spot. We gotta find the LVL over here. Oh, there, actually, he got a couple over here as well. Didn't realize he did these ones, but it started right here. These are the hangers I picked up this morning. So he did a couple here, and I believe he did all of them along the LVL, the quad LVL in the middle there. So got quite a bit done. Also some solid blocking and stuff that we needed to do. But that is going to wrap it up for this one. Tomorrow I think we're going to have a full crew here as well. So get the rest of the plywood done, get the walls framed in and or chalked in, and then hopefully start framing them. But that is going to wrap it up. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.